Oof. Yo, this is on camera. What are you doing, dude?
Jesus Christ!
Somebody must have to go to the bathroom. Oof! Bro. Oh no, guy. Your lights are off. You're on the wrong side of the street. Ugh, old people in their cars. If you're over 60, you can't drive anymore.
All right.
Oh my God!
Oof. Damn, that was a close one.
Jesus Christ!
Instant karma. Don't go speeding around traffic like that, especially. Oh, jeez, dude. You don't have power steering or what? Oh, dude. Thanks for cutting me off like that. Ah, dude, you're gonna mess with the semi like that? Oh my gosh. Bro, you didn't see the giant truck? Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh! Jeez, that was close. Alright, slow down. They came in your lane. Slow down. Yo, this is on camera. Oh, what a dummy.
Got him!
Oh no. Oh my gosh. Come on. 65 plus. You can't drive.
Well, I've done this all the time. I've never had a problem before.
Oh no. Did he just back up into that truck? Oh. He's gonna get fired. Oh no. Oh no, dude. You're in the way?
FBI, open up!
Oh my gosh. Wrong side of the street. Oh my gosh.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Oh, dude, are you serious? How selfish can you be? What a... You got no sense? Darn tootin', get some sense.
got no sense?
What?
You got no sense?
Goddamn road.
Get some freaking sense. You're going opposing traffic.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Oh! I wonder why they had to do that. Oh, dude, come on. We're all in this together. We're all trying to make it somewhere. Oh my gosh, dude. Everybody's raging. Alright. Oh! Let me just take a blind left turn here through the stop traffic.
Excuse me, I have the right of way. I didn't even see you. I was just Good. I've got it all on Dashcam, so that's fine.
Bro, stay in your lane. Oh, well, Trucker should have been more patient there. Just let him go. Oh no, guys. Definitely drunk. Yeah, right. You bloody pissed. Can you ask me what road I'm on?
Look at this dude.
You on the phone to the police? You've been driving? You've been drinking driving? I can smell alcohol on you. You bloody pig. You cunt. How did you get in there? I bet you drove in there, didn't you? Yeah, it's a concrete road, a thin, narrow back lane.
Dude, don't get out of your car like that. Come on. What was that all about? Oh, this is my turn. Excuse me. Are they gonna keep driving? Damn! Dummy cut off a semi. Smart move, bro.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Now we go. John, this one's all right. Now we go.